In this video, I will discuss the introduction of bacteriophage. Before diving into the topic, let us discuss about the evolution and the discovery of bacteriophage. Interestingly, the discovery of the bacteriophage is related to the Indian subcontinent. In the British era, in 1896, a British bacteriologist named Ernst Hancking was working on malaria and cholera disease. Basically, the study matter was related to spread of cholera and malaria across the rivers of Ganga and Yamuna. And what he noticed was the residents or the areas which were located nearby to the river Ganga had experienced a very less outbreak of cholera, in contrast to the other areas which were located far away from the river Ganga. So, from this event, what he thought was there is some phenomena or some activity is going on in the river Ganga and Yamuna which has leading to restricting effect on the outbreak of cholera, or which is something which is killing the bacteria, that is Vibrio cholera, which is responsible for the disease cholera. So, unknowingly or unknowingly, this discovery of the bacteriophage has been related to our Indian subcontinent. And later on, after several years, another scientist named W.Twort, he was also working independently in England during the 1915, and he also discovered the bacteriophage effect. And later on, due to the outbreak of World War I, he left his studies and he joined the army camp. Then at the same era, another scientist called herelle was also working in France in 1917, and the credit for coining the bacteriophage term has given to the Felix herelle. And this term bacteriophage is nothing but bacterio stands for bacteria, phage is nothing but eater. So he has given the name as bacteriophage due to these bacteriophages have a tendency to kill the bacteria. So thereby, all these evidences has given credibility for the work of Ernst Hancking. What he was noticed in the river of Ganges and Yamuna, saying that there is something has been going in the river of Ganges and Yamuna which is leading to the restricting the outbreak of cholera. So thus, so that effect has been named as the bacteriophage activity, and which is nothing but a natural antibacterial effect. So interestingly, the holiness and the medicinal effect of river Ganga and Yamuna is also related, scientifically is also related to this phenomenon of bacteriophage also. So this is about the introduction of the bacteriophage, and let us now discuss about the structure of the bacteriophage. Basically, the structure involves the head and tail portion. The head portion resembles icosahedral symmetry, whereas the tail portion resembles a linear symmetry, both giving bacteriophage binary symmetry. So this is about the bacteriophage. In the next video, we will discuss how the bacteriophage multiply itself by following two methods, such as one being the lytic phase and other being the lysogenic phase. Thank you.